Have you got an RG Colorado with broken airbox tabs? It's a common issue. I have a new product in the store just to solve that solution. It's from a company called Bilock. It's a 3D printed item, and today I'm going to go through how to install it. So I've taken some of the necessary parts off already just to shorten up this video a bit. You need to remove this intake pipe. The airflow meter plug needs to come off, and this needs to be removed. As you can see, this has already had one mount broken off, and I've started removing the second mount. Kit comes with highly detailed instructions on how to do the job, including the tools that are needed. I'm going to run through it with you very quickly. We're going to score these tabs as per the instructions to allow them to be broken off easy, and then the instructions call for a set of pliers just to break the rest of it off. That gets it out of the way. I'm going to come in with a file quickly and just clean these up because that's how we do it here. Okay, so the next part of the install is getting your two parts. Now this has two notches in it which line up with the ribs on the top of the box, and it just pops into that channel just like that. Your lower section is a little fiddlier, but the same process. Once those two are in place, they will hold themselves in place. Get your two 6mm Allen key bolts, the short pair, and they drop into these spots. Run them in by hand. I wouldn't recommend using power tools and stuff to assemble this. Power tools is probably the reason why your mounts are broken off to begin with. Now, Bilock does recommend retensioning these after a week. I assume it's just to do with maybe the heat in the engine bay. The plastic may settle a bit, and we're just going to nip them up. Now the next thing they say to do is remove the three captive 10mm out of here. They do just screw out. If you just push on the back of them while you're winding them out, they will wind out. And then you drill that out to 6.5mm. So you want to open up that whole hole. So I've already gone ahead and done that off camera. So you want to open up the entire hole. And then you're ready to reassemble. So filter can go back in. I've already blown all the plastic and swarfed out of here. Your lid will pop back in. You can then get the three longer 6mm Allen key bolts and washers. Once again, no power tools, please. Hand tools only. They don't need to be gorilla tight. You just need to pull them down until they bottom out and nip them up. That's now fully assembled and fully repaired. If you're interested in purchasing one, I have them available on the online store, or you can give me a call I can help you out. Thanks, guys.